emotions, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can get something. Baby, you're out of the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you right in my space. Yeah, baby.
Because my white quarters is not nice. I don't know if you're silly, but like my
get away, just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Laura, by the way. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment, and you turn on my post notification. And yeah, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a Sunday reset. So now the things that have been checked off my list right now, I have eaten my food. That's like the first thing I need to do after I came back from church, because yeah. Then what's on my list right now, I'm going to be arranging my room, be trying to do skincare with my friend. And I'm going to like remove all this. I have hair and like my hair right now, so I'm going to like remove it and everything. Just self-care Sunday. I'm not really doing much, just like trying to take care of my skin and be the best version of myself. Yeah. So now we're arranging the room now.
I claps.
So I'm so like because you still flipping your leg now. I actually give you food.
All you want is the same thing.
Leave it back.
Apartment put you inside a G-class, that's just a starting.
Then you go be the actor. Just on top of me. Every day, holiday. I will never forget. Pass on us today.
Medalists flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
I clap. It's not that I don't want you here.
Sweep, my maid. Clean. My maid is cleaning for me. Yeah. Making you think you stay in the damn nigga.
I try not to show how I feel about you. Make a wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you
I think I've done like most of my work right now, and I don't know if I'm doing anything. I'll just like vlog for you guys to see, because like this is my Sunday reset, because I've actually eaten my food, I've washed my toilets, I've arranged my room. I've not done self-care yet. Yeah, I've not done self-care. You know do self-care now. Show your face now. Say hi to my channel.
Hi.
Okay, we're doing self-care now. Now, bring your face. Let me apply it on your face. Bring your face. Let me apply it on your face.
You, but you're not to show how I feel about you. You wish away, you know you wanna run this.
Come closer. What's my forehead?
I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
So, nothing interests my forehead for a very long time now. So guys, me and Favor, we're going to be having a collab. We're going to be doing a beat. We're going to be shooting like 2 YouTube videos for you guys today. Finger crossed. I hope we actually do it. But yeah, of today, it's no be right? We're on the cellar. So guys, I just like removed the marks and everything, and we just finished eating. Or I just finished eating because she's still eating. Then after that, we're going to be taking a beauty nap. So anytime I see you guys, I see you guys. I put some timer. It's for like.
And walk right up to the eye of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby. And reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play.
Just get the same shape like every few minutes. But this shit is hot as well. I'm turning around.
I only miss you when the sun goes down. Oh, your voice is my favorite sound. Swear you like the pound.
Cut it down.
Me with both
Cut it. Skip. Okay. So guys, your favorite YouTuber. I've been running nose right now, but that's alright. I'm still fine, so no worry, no one. So guys, it took me like days, like I won't say days because like weeks, to actually film an outro. I'm really sorry, but thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you follow all my social media accounts, like follow me on Instagram. I'm just gonna put my Instagram here for you guys to actually follow me, because I'm actually active on Instagram now. Yeah. Then thank you guys for 200 subscribers. I'm really happy because like the fuck, yeah, oh, it's real to 300 subscribers. Yeah, and real to 1k on my IG account. Yeah, and add me on Snap, text me on Instagram. I think that's all. But yeah, my skin is popping, to be honest, even though I'm having itchy rashes right now on my forehead. Or maybe that self-care actually worked, cause okay, bye, love you guys. So if you reached to this point of the video, I'm really happy. Just comment favor and that to see if you actually reached to this point of this video. My skin is so flawless right now, so